How to log in Character AI app. Was the video will answer that you can easily log in into the Character AI app. First thing first, if you haven't yet downloaded and installed this app on your device, just do it from Play Store or App Store. It's easily available on your Play Store or App Store. Just you have to type in Character AI and the app will appear. Once you install it, open it. And once you open it, this welcome screen will open it. And if you want to log in with Apple, Google, then you can simply click on those options. Or if you want to continue with email, just type in your email address here. Once you have typed in, you have to tap on send email sign in link. Wait for a moment. Then now you have to check your email. So it has been notified that we send an email to the address you provided. Just tap the link inside the email to continue. So let's open our email. As you can see that Character AI has just sent us mail. Simply open it and select the login to Character AI button. As you can see that login has been successful. So once you have logged into your account, you have successfully been to this page. Now you can easily use the features of Character AI on your app. So this was it guys. I hope this video was quite easy and simple for you. If it was helpful, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates.